Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we're going to do some price analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, so as you can see today, we have continued to consolidate sideways into a tighter range. And it does look like we are in a descending triangle, as you can see right here. And today we actually did briefly dip below our trend line right here, but we did get a bounce immediately back up into this range right here. So this is a very strong support line right here. And as you see, we are tightening into this little bit of a pennant pattern right here. We'll go over the RSI in a second, but I do believe we could, of course, if we don't break this, we'll probably see a little minor drop down here and test this 0.618 area. But let's go over here and pick out a target for us. So if we do break out bullish out of here, then let's get a target from the top of the triangle down to the bottom. All right, so short term, say breaking out somewhere around here. Our target would be initially, of course, we do have to break back to our trend line right there, which is now our resistance line. So that we'll have to break through. But then our next target would be up near the top of the triangle, which would be around the 92.36 area. And if we do happen to break bearish, then of course we'll just take this target right here and then go down somewhere around here. And our range we would want to look at, of course, I don't believe we would break bearish, but just in case we'll get a target. So our target probably would be our major support line right here. That is right around the 39.03 area. Again, I don't think this will happen, but just in case we'll get a support line there for us. All right, and the immediately short term, let's pull a Fibonacci retracement out and see where we could be heading. All right, so we'll pull it down from the bottom right here up to our local high that we just had a little bit ago. So right around there. And let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, so very short term, of course, if we don't break through this trend line right here, then I do believe we'll be heading back down to the downside. So our targets, of course, are the 0.5 right here and the 0.618. Again, more than likely, I do believe we'll probably hit the 0.618 area. It is right around our other 0.618 on the other Fibonacci. So we'll probably just come down here, maybe do a quick bounce and then head back up. And then hopefully we'll break through right here out of this trend line. All right, and of course, another very immediate short-term target when we do break out of here, if we break out bullish, 0.27 area will be right here and the 0.618 area right there. And that's very short term. And our Fibonacci is still the same from the past couple of days because we have not broken any ranges out of here, any more lower lows or higher highs. So longer term, our target still will be right around the 0.27, which is the 99.43 area, and the 0.618, which is the 11.409 area. All right, so let's go over here and check out our RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, so currently on the 15-minute chart, our RSI is right around the 54 area. And as you see right here, we do have a tightening trend right here. Excuse me. It's a little bit of a pennant pattern right there, as you can see as well. All right, so I do believe short term, of course, if we don't break above this, then more than likely we are going to head back down for a really quick correction. Our stochastic actually is heading back down, so we're very close to the bottom right here. So we'll have to see how that plays out. And over here on the hourly, our RSI currently is sitting right around the 49.50 area. Our stochastic, as you see, is all the way near the top. That's why I think we'll probably have a very short-term correction, just a little bit of a cool off, and then get a bounce and head back up. But I think short-term we'll probably just get that little bit of a bounce and then a little bit of a correction over the next couple hours. Over here on the 4-hourly, all right, our RSI currently is sitting right around the 51 area, and stochastic is right around the 21. Of course, we did break down, have a little bit of bounce. We're coming back up. We have all this room to work with on the 4-hourly chart. So long term, we are very bullish. And over here on the daily, our RSI currently is sitting around the, clear this out, around the 69 area. And our stochastic is actually on the daily chart. We actually have come all the way back down. We're very close to the bottom right here. So we'll probably head down, get a bounce, And then over the next couple days, we'll have this very long bull trend starting, I believe. Of course, this is hopefully this is a bullish descending triangle, so we'll break out the top. So this right here shows you all the room that we have to work with on our next bull run. We do have this right here forming. This is a trend line. Of course, if we break this, then we could be heading bearish. But again, I think if we do break bullish out of here, we'll probably get a bounce and then head back up here again. But we'll have to see how that plays out. I do believe we're heading bullish or looking more bullish than bearish. All right, let me head back over here to the 15-minute chart. All right, so we are still consolidating in this little bit of a pennant pattern. All right, so I believe short term, of course, I do believe we'll probably get this little bit of a correction right here over the next hour or so, maybe come down to the 0.618, hopefully get a bounce there, and then head back up here and break our trend line to the upside. Of course, again, we could just have a little bit of a bounce right here and actually break out right here. We'll have to wait and see. But again, we'll wait and see tomorrow. I believe we will more than likely head out bullish out of here. But anyway, I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And as always, please make sure you do like and subscribe. And I appreciate all the new subscribers that we have coming in. And also all of our other subscribers. I appreciate you as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks. Take care.